week 15, Wednesday. We are doing southern US this week. So what we have today is a blackened catfish with some Cajun rice. So for the catfish, I have 3 fillets here, and this is a spice mix. So we have paprika, lemon pepper, thyme, basil, a little bit of cayenne pepper, Cajun seasoning, and black pepper and salt. So I've mixed this together. We have a little bit of butter that we melted. So we will dip the fish in the butter and then sprinkle it with the spice mix, and then we'll fry it over high for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. For the rice, we will cook it. So we'll fry the vegetables, saute the vegetables in olive oil with some, and this is Cajun mix, and then we have 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. So this will take about 15 minutes. This should take about, if I fry 1 per setting, so that's about 6 minutes per fish. So about 10-15 minutes at the most here. 15 minutes with the rice. So by the time I'm cooking, the rice gets cooked, we should have the fish. So let's prep the fish and before we start cooking the rice. So for the fish, what we will do is we'll take a fillet and we put it in the butter. This is melted butter. Cover it well. Drain excess butter and put it on the parchment paper. Do the same with the other 2. And then we'll sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of seasoning on each side. So that looks good. We'll turn it over. And then we'll coat the other side. So at this point we'll tap it. Make sure that the spice mix is all rubbed into the fish. That looks pretty good. We will cook the rice first, then fry the fish, and then serve it. So let's start cooking. We are heating a pan over medium-high heat. So we'll add some olive oil. And then we'll put the vegetables in and let it sweat. Put some salt. And a little bit of pepper. We'll add some thyme. We started heating the pan for the fish as well on this side. So we need this to be scorching hot. We'll add the cajun mix to this. Let it bloom for a few minutes. We'll add the rice. So that's 2 cups of rice, and I'm using basmati today, but you can use any rice that you have. We'll add a little bit more salt. So the rice is cooked, so we'll add 4 cups of water. Let's taste it. Let it come to a boil We'll cover it and cook it for 15 minutes. So in the meantime, let's come here. So this pan has been heating. We'll add a little bit of butter to this. And then we'll put one, maybe two. A little bit more butter on the side. This side is done, so we turned it over. We'll cook it for another 2 minutes on this side. The rice has come to a boil. We'll cover it, lower the heat and cook it for 15 minutes. Blackened catfish and the rice pilaf is ready. To serve it, we put a little bit of rice pilaf at the bottom of the plate. And then serve the catfish on top of that with a little bit of lemon juice and the lemon on the side. So there you have it, blackened catfish served over rice pilaf. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit, have a great day, and see you tomorrow. you.